Just this and that. I never stuck an act.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing Smacked or Fact with my cousins Sashana and Malik. Follow Sashana's poetry page at
Graham.
Malik. Alright. Oh no, that's not Malik. Okay, so on the next YouTube video. There we go. So make sure you guys like the video, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we're gonna get started. We're gonna jump right into the question. We have powder right here, and Malik, how about you start? Smack that fact. I said that from the beginning.
Alright. My first question.
Number 2.
What year did I graduate primary school?
Primary school? Girl! She just didn't watch that, people.
No.
Primary school.
Oh my goodness.
I know this, but
she can't know that. How can you know that?
You were my cousin.
I barely even. I don't even know what I graduated primary school with.
We never talk about it. Next question.
What year did I graduate high school?
Okay.
Let me do the maths.
You don't need to
She's
do
what?
the
How
math.
much years younger than me? She
Yeah.
6,
Graduate.
What do you mean 6?
5,
Oh my.
4.
Oh, wait, I will not pass that. Alright, it's 2002. High school? No, wait, it's 2018.
Wrong.
2019.
Wrong. No. Come on.
You said high school, right?
Come on.
Wait, sixth form? They call it sixth form? But I don't know if it's
Even if it was 6th form, it's still wrong. Come.
No.
2016.
I said that. And she said
Come.
no.
You get it wrong. Come.
No, but she gets it. What?
2016.
That's the year I graduated
Did
high
Did I
school.
not say
Tell her no.
2016?
No, you said 20.
2018
and
and
then
2019.
This game is. We don't need to violence, guys. Violence.
Come on, hurry up. Let's move on
Alright,
to the next
fine, go.
question.
You guys know I'm bad at this game. I know someone now to good at this game and to play this game.
How you did forget back?
You know I don't.
Okay, but me get it right. Me get it
You're
right.
still there calculating your head.
She should really get up. Anyways,
My
she look off of my calculations and say, okay, no, not that one, not that one. Okay, must be
Come,
this
we have to
one.
move on. I don't
But
have
I'm
that
gonna say
much.
it together next time. Alright, go.
Shoshana is very competitive, guys.
It's a big loser.
She's very competitive.
Now get my name up on me. Where did I? No, that was the wrong one. What is my favorite TV series? My all-time favorite TV series. You guys should know this. And when you hear it, if you don't know it, you're gonna say, "Oh yeah."
Like from, is it old or new? You watch a lot of
That's a
series.
series.
That's
My
watch a
favorite
lot of
TV
series.
series, one that you watch on TV, not Netflix, not Hulu, and some already agree with it. On TV.
I'm ready for my box.
Wait, no, can I get some time?
I know one. I wanna go get it wrong.
Okay.
Like I don't know, and I know like almost everything about Shadi. I'm like I'm sorry. Listen to me. What kind of box plan to give me? Yeah, rub up on like TV series. I think.
Come on.
My answer
Cartoon
is
or not?
6.
Cartoon or not?
5.
Is it anime?
4.
Animation. I thought first.
3.
Like
2.
I said the Proud
1.
Family. The Proud Family.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, I feel like it wrong.
Your answer?
and I say like
I feel like it wrong.
Come on, man.
series.
It's
Alright,
a series.
I'm cutting you guys so much slack right now. I'm done countdown. You get it wrong. See it there.
Is it
Come
Sailor
on.
Moon or?
She
No,
You
it's
get
not.
it wrong.
She gets it wrong.
Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones is my all-time favorite TV show. Every single Sunday, I never miss an episode. 9 o'clock.
You could tell us that's recent.
Like, I thought
it's been going on for 10 years. But that's why I never said
I've been thinking childhood. Like I was looking back at childhood.
Which one?
You know what I mean? It's just this and that. Again, we can't do it until far. Watch me now.
It never had.
No partiality.
It never had. You're right.
I don't want no more books. Should I
take
the
next side?
Done.
Yeah. Should I get the next side?
Yeah.
That's good nice for the thumbnail.
Just give me one. Like,
no,
like, just leave this for last.
It's just have the
one
thumbnail.
side.
No, it don't work.
Alright. One table. Oh, you want the one?
Oh, okay.
I told you, yo.
Come on, your turn.
Because she didn't move the powder.
Yo, Shadi wicked. When no, so she done with the one.
Thumbnail.
Alright,
I can't feel comfortable, true. Yeah, I think I feel more comfortable.
Who's my favorite? This is easy. Artist. Who's my favorite artist?
Oh, The Weeknd.
Malik.
You're not telling me what
Fuck on.
So I'm going to say the box because
First of all, the box is a song. I'm our favorite artist.
The box.
No, that's not what I said. You're not listening.
Okay, what?
I said I'm going
to take the box.
That's what I just said.
You don't know
I never that with you.
Because I was going to say somebody else, and it's because they always listen to them, and then I remember each other. So sorry. No, I really not watch that. Come,
back
on this side. Take your time. I never stop your act.
You were wrong. It's Kendrick Lamar. My love Kendrick. So I'm always my love Kendrick. I literally show you the shirt when we get from the Kendrick Lamar concert. Like
that is true.
Come show me.
I don't want to stand on the next side. I want to stand on this side.
On a Tuesday.
Wait.
And then you did choose. But should I slap it on the next side?
It's the act.
That's not art.
We're not partial.
Anyway, let's move on. How long is this
question? Name 3 things I'm allergic to.
Oh, come on.
I said 3.
Okay.
I'm not partial with this cause.
I know something else. Some type of nuts.
We'll do it at the same time?
Yes, not get all 3 right. Because I'm allergic to a lot of stuff.
Oh, you're lactose intolerant. Is that being allergic?
No.
You're not
that is
allergic?
not.
Yeah,
Kinda.
to milk.
Kinda.
Why you say it out loud? Get easy to cancel.
Yeah, okay, so that's 2.
So say it in your head, and so I can say it. I'm already. We'll just say it
Shall
together.
wait for me. How are we gonna say the same things together? There's 3. What are
but
the
just
odds?
don't leave time for me for guess and like.
Alright. We
saying.
taking too long.
9.
Madonna, you know done.
8.
Okay.
You ready?
What's my 2 already?
I only want to still. What your answer?
Only one is it.
No, slap me out. Come on. Tomoshi!
So okay.
Wow.
Corned beef.
No, I'm not allergic to corned beef. I just know that.
What? All this time?
I'm not
all
allergic.
this time. Team food?
I'm not allergic. I just don't like it.
True.
Alright, lactose intolerant.
Excuse me, let's not say
Shellfish.
I just don't eat shellfish. The look on Shadi's face says all. You know, I get panic side.
No, okay, guys.
Yes, I'm on a go.
Just stop your
I'm allergic to peanut.
I said some type of nuts.
I'm not gonna tell you what kind of nuts. I'm allergic to bees.
Yes, we're gonna lose a cousin.
Come on, we have to move on.
I'm allergic to bees, and you should know that because you remember that time that the bees stung me.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Oh yeah,
and Megan had to give the
come on.
thing.
My next question is, where did I go to high school?
High school? Oh, your last.
Oh.
What a name? You could have said primary school. Come on, we don't hate them people there now. I don't remember the name.
Why?
At the high school?
Stop
yes, I don't remember the name.
You
But fully.
have you ever told me your high school name?
Yes, she has. I don't.
And
remember
I've
the
been
name.
to your. Yeah, I've been to
Let
your.
me just get this. We have to move on. A blossom that's glow.
We didn't know each other. We really know each other.
We know, but I can't
we
remember.
don't know details like specifics.
Like,
I know her essence. I know her energy.
I know her soul,
vibe.
right? So Shauna can come in and Mali can come in and if something off, we just know.
And that's
the same for all everybody, yeah. Come on, man, I want to do this.
Okay, keep closing it because it's already open.
Just okay. I mean, I get that so.
Split it in two. The effect.
No, but you never give me a chance for this. Like, I never know.
What the hell is this?
What? It's like,
Oh jeez, that's the ticket right though. Alright. Oh, I forgot to say my camera died, so the angle is definitely a little bit off. That's why. We're on my phone camera.
I'm sure that they knew the question I asked.
I remember it's on my phone. I remember my last question though. That never had.
I know you should blink when she got to hit you.
It wasn't hard.
Alright. So Shauna,
Alright, so which place, well, country, yeah, do I want to travel to? Where do I want to travel to the most? It's your question, but I figured I told you guys mine as well. I know I
on the other question. Well, I would say I have my answer.
like, give up.
Cause she didn't tell me. I can't
France?
remember. No.
And that?
That's one of them, but it's not the biggest one. And
So
yes,
which one
I've
is
told everybody.
Oh, what is it?
Egypt.
You say one.
Yeah, I always talk about which one but Egypt.
But you never.
Yeah, see,
You only
what
talked
I'm
about it once. But alright, you always talk about France. Even if I could take up the language.
Yeah.
Just let me man hurry up. Come on already.
Why you want to do this side? No.
You did this side. Don't worry.
No, like you can't be choosing the cheeks. Come on.
Just
Just give me one. Like,
No.
just leave this for last. It's just
on the
one cheek side.
The other side there.
Wanna wake up? That wasn't hot. That wasn't that hot. It just sounded hot
Yes,
because
it
I
was.
cooked. Alright, come.
I felt
Well,
that.
hey, open up that enough.
You give me a hot one. I mean, you have your.
Yeah, it's good to come right out for them last one here.
Go on here. Do you have one what easy? I'm not do it. The last one, yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm on Instagram. Alright, so this is a two-part question.
2 parts?
Yes.
No.
I had some 2-part
So
one,
now
but I
you
thought
have
that'd be unfair.
went right
Yeah.
into my eye.
Huh?
You went put it right
Oh,
into
shit.
my eye.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, you can tell me the year that I started high school. I'm supposed to know this. I named the 2 high schools that I went to.
Oh, okay.
That's easy.
Well, we know the one name in the port.
You're supposed to know.
I don't really know how the Jamaica high school system work, you know, cause 5th form, 6th form, and then something that confused me. Cause I remember when I went to America, I went to high school in America, so we did 4 years in high school. But the math is not gonna be right from the year that I told you, because
I left Kingston and moved to Portland. Not Adelaide.
no, you said the amount of years.
No, I said the year that I started each.
High school, each.
Yes.
She never know each.
It's partially, that's
Each.
the first part of
You
my
have to rewind
question.
each. Yeah, go back to the question.
Tell me the year that
You
I
started high school.
And then it went to say,
and then name the 2 high school.
Fine. So just tell me the year I started high school then. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
2011.
Your answer?
2010.
The name of 2 high school.
Oh,
Queens and
Titchfield.
so what will I get back for? What will I get back for?
Shoshana, right? You get half of the question wrong.
I got the question right.
Finally.
Alright, your last question.
Oh shit.
The talk. Anyways. Is that big that? What big are you Kingston?
You'd be surprised. Remember when we did it on the test? The pig crossed the road.
That is ridiculous. So.
Big friend. It was funny though.
It's funny.
But I make up no question.
That's what you're doing.
Yeah, because I forget. Well, I had one, but it's too easy. Because I was trying to cut you a slack, but y'all hoes went hard. At the end. My favorite number.
I think I know it, but I could be very wrong.
6, 5,
Can I give 2 options?
4, no, 3, 2, 1.
23.
No, 2 on the wrong.
11.
I think it's
2 on the
2
wrong.
or
No,
14.
it's 4. And I even gave a whole
You don't even have it in your password, so how
Yeah,
can
no,
it be a
it's
favorite?
4 for real.
It's 4.
You never
My
tell me.
password is my birth year.
Yeah, but like, you never tell me. You never tell me that.
Everybody know 4. 1, April is the 4th month. Aries, I said the birthday. But 4, because my teacher, and I always tell everybody this, used to call us by our last names, and mine was number 4. Always 4. And I picked 4 because 1, I don't like 2. 2 is
I've
too
never heard that
odd.
teacher
I
story.
like it. I don't like odd numbers.
I don't like odd numbers either.
I totally forgot that she don't like odd numbers.
I don't like odd numbers either.
And I know the reason why she don't like odd numbers. And you know what? I think it's also the number Kitty wants.
Turn away. Yeah.
You kept talking about it Jordan year, that's why I said 23.
I feel like she just slam her heart.
Turn. What? It's no good. Just kind of cut to the side.
Pull that is good too. Yeah. I feel like we're not doing bad now. No, but look cute. Except for the boxers, she's trying to give me staying for life. Scar me.
No, that we're done. I'm not doing this video no more.
That you slapped me hard. That you have one question. You have the last question.
My deaf.
But you have the last question.
You have the last question.
If me get it wrong, you can do me that.
Alright, watch me now.
Oh no. How we get in this?
What's the name of my pet turtle? I'm gonna know this because 1, you were there when I named the pet, and 2, you saw this pet all the time. I always talk about turtle, and I knew I told you the name. I was going to ask y'all, but now I'm going to ask y'all.
How long the turtle dead?
You never just named them turtle.
I had that turtle for 10 years. Put some respect on that name.
The longest picture.
That was the longest.
Me know a turtle, because you always say name them just like after what animal name.
That's cute that you remember that. You, Malik.
No.
Malik, not trying. Nobody said. But I know what I'm
If
not
I
trying.
know, but now I bust my brain because I don't know about that turtle name. Like I say, our middle name or something, but.
Ooh, enough. Last one.
Wait, man. When you come to me first, easy, man. Where's a savage?
That wasn't hot.
They try those time at because me do you nice. Yeah, this side is my side. Yes,
Oh.
man.
But that was soft though. That was soft.
My nose enough. Did you get
It
my
was Anastasia.
You see, you got
Anastasia.
What?
And I did it Anastasia, sorry.
Yeah, she did.
Well,
I
you
did
never
it after
told me
this
that.
movie.
I did it after
After
the
the
movie
movie.
that I liked with the Russian
You never
princess.
know what she
Yeah.
name. You never
I
know.
did. I'm a
we used
normally
to
because
never
we're
tell
always
me that.
talking about the
You're not-
turtle.
but you never
I
tell me the turtle name.
Yes, because I said the name
One
a
more
million
question.
times.
What is the name of our movie that we always watch on that big? I can't remember the tape. Those big tapes.
Oh,
Can we say them?
there's several.
She addressed
One
you.
was Pocahontas.
No.
Oh, the one was about the bat. The one was Anastasia. We had several movies on that.
She
tape.
asked you the one
One.
answer. The one.
The one we always watch and then we
Mali,
always
come back
sit.
in the
Oh, Thumbelina.
No. We always sit down.
And she done get 5
Alright,
And when
we
I
can
say it, when I done say it, you're going to be. You're going to
Wait.
She
Well,
don't
I
get
was
5. No, she don't
Wait,
get
wait,
Sing the
5.
song
She
together.
don't get chances. No.
Alright, what is it?
stop.
No,
Put
we
the
hit
phone
each
in
other.
your
I thought this
hand.
was just like a different room.
No, y'all lick each other. That's again.
Alright, can I give it 1 second?
No. She don't get 17 try now. Come on.
Barbara?
No.
No,
Get the-
Come
on.
Come. You're going to be.
You don't get it. Your lip.
Is it vampire?
You know your
No.
lipstick pink? You like pink?
Yeah.
now. It's so cool.
Because she mixed it with the red. Come.
Yeah, I missed it.
But now stop it. Ginger.
You want to get the hell point? You guys have to name. If there's a guy that I like right now, you have to say his name at the same time.
Yo, I'm gonna say his name. His name? What's your Shabool?
You want his name? Yes, I know.
Shabool, I'm proud. Okay. 1, 2.
Anyways, it's gonna get beeped out because that must be somebody video and be like it's somebody.
Cause I was like, Sharita doing that?
Oh, yes, sir.
My girl, come on today. My girl,
Maybe
proud.
make that beep longer though, so some people don't know.
Not even sure what the most.
You bad?
Come shine it.
What was the name of my first email address?
I must you shut up.
It was my email address. It was like
What
I
does
used it
that
for everything
mean?
else too. Like everything
No.
else. It was even my Twitter. It is actually what I found my Twitter
I
now.
don't even know what that is. It's like
No, girl.
try again. Next question.
Next question.
Sash.
Next question.
I had that when I was like.
Next
like
question.
12.
Next question.
Alright,
Malik, you. Or you want to?
Get back to me?
No.
What?
Alright,
I want the
next
next question then.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Mr. Outro, lean off of me.
It's not like that. You're so horrible.
Sorry. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let me know.
It's a thumbs up, right?
Yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz.
Exactly. Whenever they don't talk. Leave a comment down below.
Right. We are guests on this channel.
Letting me know. Of course, I'm not gonna. We're gonna come back. Even if I.
You're just paranoid.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below letting me know who wins. I'll be tallying up everything as we go along.
Watch our shot cheat now.
Nobody knows.